Exercise 1. Name a whole number that is not a counting number. Why is every integer a rational number? Which rational number does not have a reciprocal? There are infinitely many irrational numbers between any two rational numbers. Construct an irrational number between 1 over 5 and 1 over 6. Remember, the answer is not unique. What is 12 minus 7? What is negative 11 plus 9? Negative 14 plus negative 7? And 10 minus negative 7. I wonder if that was supposed to be a plus. Probably. Negative 16 minus negative 25, negative 11 minus 19, negative 8 minus negative 5, and 20 minus negative 7. How about 14 times negative 2, negative 11 times 9, negative 14 times negative 7, 70 divided by negative 7, 100 divided by the opposite of negative 25, negative 19 divided by negative 38, the opposite of the quotient of negative 8 and negative 40, 20 divided by negative 85. What number is subtracted from negative 10 to get a difference of 30? Be careful, it's subtracted from. Mount McKinley in Alaska is at 20,300 feet above sea level, and Death Valley in California is at 280 feet below sea level. Draw a vertical number line to identify altitude with positive upward and negative downward. Place a dot at sea level, place a dot at Death Valley, and place a dot at Mount McKinley. Label each point with a signed number. What is the distance in feet, all of these are in feet, between Mount McKinley and Death Valley? The temperature on a cold winter day in Luxembourg was measured 4 times. 3 measurements were 4 degrees Celsius, negative 7 degrees Celsius, and positive 8 degrees Celsius. The average was negative 1 degree Celsius. The 4th measurement was lost. Find the lost measurement if the average for that day was negative 1 degrees centigrade. A decorator from Exquisite Affairs blows helium balloons for a birthday celebration. Each balloon is tied to a 9-foot string. The decorator has 250 yards of string on a rope. Does the decorator have enough string to blow 100 balloons? If yes, is there any string left? If no, how many balloons can be blown? There are 3 feet per yard. A restaurant cook has 25 kilograms of potatoes. Each order on the banquet menu requires 3 potatoes on the average. Assume the average weight of a potato to be 100 grams. There are 27 people attending the banquet. Does the cook have enough potatoes to serve the banquet? There are 1,000 grams in a kilogram.